Hey friends, today we're going to be looking at the Haylou GT3. This is part of the Haylou line. The Haylou earbuds do have the Haylou GT1 as well as GT1 Pro. They have the GT3 as well as the GT5. So today we're primarily looking at the Haylou GT3. One thing that I do want to say about this before we get into it is that this doesn't come with any form of latency. It doesn't have a gaming mode. So if you're a gamer looking for AirPods dedicated towards gaming, then I definitely will not recommend the Haylou GT3. First of all, looking inside the box, we have 4 ear tips for the medium size, the small size, as well as the large size. We also have the USB Type-C connector, as this charges with the USB Type-C. We also have the user manual, which is in English and in Chinese as well. Looking at the product itself, this case does remind me of the Razer Hammerhead. It looks really good and feels really premium. It charges with a USB Type-C, like I said before, but something amazing is that the indicator lights don't appear unless they are connected to a charger. So unless it's charging, the indicator light doesn't appear, which makes it and gives it a classic look, makes it look really minimalistic. Opening it up, you can see the device itself. It looks really fantastic. I really like the build. The edge of it does remind me a lot of the Apple AirPods Pros, which is really nice, but the stems are something completely different. Looking inside the device itself, we just have some minimalistic brandings to show you the left and the right side. And overall, the build quality of this is absolutely wonderful. So we're going to do a little sound test to show you guys what they sound like, the bass, the treble. But I do have to say, we might not know from a video how good this sound is, but from my own personal recommendation, this sound does give really good bass, really good treble, and amazing mids. So we're gonna do a short video to show you the sound test right now. So that was a quick sound test for the Haylou 3s. So like I said, I do recommend this based on sound quality. The sound qualities are really amazing. If you're someone that is going to be looking at this for listening to music primarily, not for gaming or anything else, then this is definitely a good recommendation for you. But if you're looking towards something more of gaming and you want something that's geared towards that, then I'll recommend something like the Soundpit Sonics, or even the new AirDots 3 that just came out from Redmi, or you can also get the Red Dot S. Those do have low latency. In the case of the Soundpit Sonic, it does have a dedicated gaming mode, which is really cool. If you guys want to see a comparison between the Haylou GT3s and the Soundpit Sonics or the AirDots 3, why don't you leave a comment down below and I'll make a video for that. So this is just a short video showing you guys the sound quality of the GT3s and why I would recommend them for anyone to buy. It's an absolute steal, and the design quality, the build quality is absolutely premium, and the fact that it charges with a micro USB Type-C connector is something that is absolutely fantastic. So that's something that I would definitely recommend for anyone. All right, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.